from Ahilya School of Pharmacy, Kerala. मेरे साथ जुड़ चुकी है किंचल केशव, who has successfully achieved NIPER JEE 2026 All India rank 178 in MS Pharm field and 95 under 100 rank in the field of MBA.
I was like randomly texting with my friend in WhatsApp, and suddenly your group, like our NIPER paid batch group, there was like this PDF like NIPER JEE results. I started shivering right away, like oh my god. I took a pause and I calmly opened my laptop. Then I shared this PDF to my laptop and I searched for like my roll number. I was like shivering. Then I was like, God, I can't go beyond like 1,000. I can't risk it. So I was like, I searched my roll number and it was 178. And I checked again. Female, OBC, is it me? Yes, it's me. And finally, like, thank God.
So Kinchal, moving back, your GPAT rank was around
1,000 something. I gave it last year. I didn't
So,
give it this year. It was 1,875.
so that
50
transition from 1,000 to 100 almost. My God,
Yes.
your leap, your jump is amazing. So first of all, Kinchal, heartiest congratulations for an amazing rank.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Alright. First, the moment at 6 p.m. the PDF was dropped on the website. You
Yes,
checked
sir.
your roll number, you checked how was that moment when you checked
I
the rank?
was-
Kinchal, now you have been also got associated with us. I would like to know the feedback. How was your experience with us and in what way could we help you at PVC?
Yes, sir. So as I have told you in my message, the main thing which attracted me towards Payamora classes is Payamora. Because I admire you a lot. As I told you, you give me a fire. Because we don't see much people who are very passionate in what they are
Right.
doing. Not everybody can share their wisdom with everyone.
Right.
That is like a special talent, and you have that, sir. That is what ignited a fire in me. Like, okay, I have to be like Payam sir. Even if not Payam sir, like somewhere, like somehow like Payam sir, because you are the best in whatever you do.
Thank you so much.
If I am correct, you have qualified 11 national exams with great rank, and recently you have qualified PhD
Yes.
exam with rank 1 for ICT.
Yeah.
That is not a simple thing. You could be somebody who like grabs all the ranks and you could stay quiet.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel straight from Ahilya School of Pharmacy, Kerala. मेरे साथ जुड़ चुकी है किंचल केशव, who has successfully achieved NIPER JEE 2026 All India rank 178 in MS Pharm field and 95 under 100 rank in the field of MBA. So first of all, Kinchal, heartiest congratulations for an amazing rank.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Alright. First, the moment at 6 p.m. the PDF was dropped on the website. You
Yes,
checked
sir.
your roll number, you checked the... How was that moment when you checked the rank?
I was like randomly texting with my friend in WhatsApp,
Okay.
and suddenly in your group, like our NIPER paid batch group,
Yeah,
there was like this PDF like NIPER JEE results. I
Yeah.
started shivering right away, like oh my god.
Right.
I am like, okay. First, I'm like processing for some time. Okay.
Right.
And I was like, okay, I will open. And I was like, should I open it in my phone or should I open it in my laptop? Then I was like, my heart is going thuk 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 thuk.
Correct.
And I took a pause. And I calmly opened my laptop. Then I
Right.
shared this PDF to my laptop and I
Okay.
searched for like my roll number. I was like shivering. Then I was like, God, I can't go beyond like 1,000. I can't risk it. So I was like, I searched my roll number and it was 178. And I checked again. Female, OBC, is it me? Yes, it's me. And finally, like, thank God, thank you so much. And first of all, I didn't know like this MBA list is different or anything.
Yeah.
So I ignored it completely. I just checked my MS list and I was like, thank you God, thank you so much. I was like so happy. Then I went upstairs and I told my dad. He was sleeping and I was like, wake up, my results came, and he was like,
Okay. And then you checked out MBA results.
Then like after like let's say like 2 hours, I was like, oh, there is one more. There is MBA result also. I have to check MBA results as well. Then I checked, I was like, oh, 95. Okay, good, great.
Not bad. Amazing.
Very good.
So Kinchal, moving back, your GPAT rank was around
1,000 something. I
1,000.
gave it last year. I didn't
So,
give it this year. It was
1,000.
1,875.
So
If
that
50 if I
transition
remember correctly.
from
Sir.
1,000 to 100, almost,
100.
my God.
Yes.
Your leap, your jump is amazing, significant.
Yes, sir.
So if I ask you, there would have been demotivation, saturation, or a FOMO, your friends are enjoying and you're studying. How did you deal with it?
Yes, sir. There were a lot of moments where I felt demotivated. It's like I sit to study and I feel like nothing is going into my brain. And I just had one motto. As I have discussed with you earlier, I am a dropper. I have been studying in one institution and I had to drop out from that. So that was something which was keeping me on, like going on, because like I took a decision, like a very spontaneous decision which has changed the entire trajectory of my life. And I regret that decision. So I knew within myself that I can't go back to the place where I was. I have to change it because my life depends on it. This is life or death. I was literally telling myself that this is life or death. It's just a matter of time, just 2 months. After 2 months, you can do whatever you want. You can binge watch, you can go on YouTube, you can do what you can eat, you can sleep. But this is what decides your future because you have already taken a risk. You can't risk it again.
Absolutely.
So that was one thing which was keeping me going on.
And your consistency, your resilience, and your hard work has paid off you this rank and paid off you your dream branch and dream Niper probably, right?
Yes, sir.
So,
yes, sir.
Kinchal, if I ask you about your schedule, your plan, your strategy, your timetable, how was your day? So, a day in a life of Kinchal as an aspirant.
So I am that kind of person where I can be a morning person, like a early bird, as well as a night owl. So I can do both. So I fix my schedule in such a way that last year when I gave Niper exam, the exam was in the morning time. So I fix my schedule in such a way that I wake up a bit early in the morning. Let's say I woke up around 4:30 to 5. Then I revise whatever I have studied the previous day. Then I sat down and gave my mock test in the exact same time, like 9 to 11, whatever the time it was. I tried to give my mock test that time. So I was doing this for like almost an entire month, and suddenly Niper decided to change our time.
Yes.
Time to note. That was literally like a shocker to me because I was adjusting my time like that. So I wake up a bit early in the morning and I go to bed around 11 o'clock every day.
Okay.
And suddenly I had to change everything in last 1 week. So last 1 week I tried to give my mock test at that same time, like 2 o'clock.
2 to 4. Yeah, 4:30.
And then I had to wake up a bit late. So I woke up around 8 o'clock. Then I went to sleep around like 12. So usually what I do is once I wake up, I kind of revise. The main thing that I revised was name reactions as well as classifications. Then I started my day with chemistry because I was very bad at chemistry. So like for an hour, even if it is name reaction or any let's say reaction mechanism or aromaticity, whatever it is, I used to watch a lecture first thing in the morning. Whatever chemistry task I had for that day, I will finish it in the morning. I believe in that eat the frog concept because I finish whatever it is difficult in the first.
Absolutely.
So once that is done, I usually go and do my mock test. Then I'll be disappointed for some time after seeing my mock test results.
Absolutely. I remember you... Yeah, please continue.
Yes, no sir.
Yeah, please. Bolo. Yeah, please.
Then after that, I'll go back and analyze my mock test. So I have this notebook where I write down whichever portions I have made mistake. So I'll just note it down and then I'll analyze it. Okay, is it a silly mistake or I actually didn't know the concept? So I used to segregate based on that. Then I used to study whatever it was, whatever I have made wrong in that mock test.
Okay.
And then after that, once it is completed, I went and did previous year questions.
So you had a mistake book also, you did the PYQs also, and
it was very time consuming because sometimes I won't be able to finish both PYQs as well as mock tests, but I tried to do as much as I can. I could.
I remember, one of your messages, I'm scared of results. I'm having second thoughts about my preparation for Niper.
Yes.
From that moment to this day, your life has changed. Your trajectory, as you mentioned, has got an affirmative path a path to success, probably a path to a great career ahead, because now you'll be entering into one of the premier institutes, most prestigious institutes in the field of pharmaceutical sciences.
Yes.
So Kinchal, now you have been also got associated with us. I would like to know the feedback. How was your experience with us, and in what way could we help you at PVC?
Yes, sir. So as I have told you in my message, the main thing which attracted me towards Payamvora classes is Payamvora, because I admire you a lot. As I told you, you give me a fire, because we don't see much people who are very passionate in what they are
Right.
doing. Not everybody can share their wisdom with everyone.
Right.
That is like a special talent, and you have that, sir. That is what ignited a fire in me. Like, okay, I have to be like Payam sir, even if not Payam sir, like somewhere like somehow like Payam sir, because you are the best in whatever you do.
Thank you so much.
If I am correct, you have qualified 11 national exams
Yeah.
with great rank, and recently you have qualified PhD exam with rank 1 for ICT.
Yeah.
That is not a simple thing. You could be somebody who like grabs all the ranks and you could stay quiet and not help anyone, but you chose to help everyone. You
Right.
chose to spread your wisdom with everyone. You helped everyone, and and one thing which attracted me to your classes is that you're not teaching from the PPT. You just
Yeah.
open the PPT. Let's say it's classification, okay? Let's say you are teaching us anti-diabetic drugs. So you are like opening the classification PPT and you are
Right.
saying, okay, which decreases insulin resistance, increases insulin secretion, and you are telling like the mechanism, the adverse effect, everything related to that drug from like, yourself, just
Right.
looking at the classification. And
Right,
that is literally something not everyone can do. So
Correct.
I'm like, I want to be like him someday. This is what
Yeah.
inspired me the most.
You were one of the most, if I say, punctual and disciplined students. I used to see you in a lot of live lectures, and I remember मैं आपका नाम लेता था Kinchal, and you were like a
Some days
mystery
you
student.
can't even pronounce properly. You'll be like,
Yeah.
okay. Say something, then someday you will say, okay, Keshav.
Keshav, yeah. I had a
It's
problem.
actually very difficult for people to pronounce my name. It is like that.
Okay. So, Kinchal, you are an epitome, an example for a lot of participants to take a risk, to take
Yes.
and give yourself another chance. So, what has been that driving force, or if I ask you to motivate and provide a success mantra or encouraging words, because there are a lot of participants who will be repeating this year, taking a drop, and probably they did not get the branch that they wanted to get into. So what your words play a very vital role in their lives. So what would be those words, those quotes, idiom, anything that you would like to tell that has personally been a driving force for you? What would that be?
Yes, sir. So I have to say about two things. One is like a quote which I heard, I think about 2 years ago. It is, aim for the moon. Even if you miss it, you might hit a star.
Hit a
That
star.
has influenced me a lot.
Correct.
And another one quote is like, study or work till you collapse.
Okay.
Two quotes which has like personally motivated me. And if I have to say like a motivation speak or to somebody who is like
Right.
who didn't make it right now,
Hmm.
or who wishes to go into NIPER, or who wishes to crack any competitive exam, is like, first your intentions must be pure. Like whatever that you want, it should be a pure desire. Like that is something that you genuinely would want.
Correct.
You genuinely want it, you will work for it. That is proven. I am the live example of
Live
that.
example.
Because
Absolutely.
Live example of that, because my intention was very genuine, because I wanted that. No matter what the cost was, I wanted that. So if you have that genuine desire, that will automatically get stuck into your brain that this is something you want. That should be your priority. And you should work hard. There is no alternative to hard work. Literally.
Correct.
People say there is smart work, but smart work is a result of hard work, I would say. You have
Absolutely.
to be
Well
consistent.
said.
You have to be consistent. You have to work hard. You have to have faith in yourself. That is, I feel like sometimes I lack faith in myself. I feel like, what if I can't do it? But days will be like, days like that will come. They'll try to demotivate you. They'll try to pull you back. But you have to be resilient. You don't have to be very smart or like topper or anything, but just be consistent and trust yourself. You will do it.
That's very well said. Being consistent and resilience, that's the key. And the way you told about your journey with the example, hopefully it will be like a example, something that people would cherish and also apply, inculcate these tips that are given by you in their lives, so that even they can nurture their future and career in a prospective way. So I'm really happy the way you have qualified the exam with an amazing rank, flying colors. You have been from that phase, and now your career is all set. You're all ready for the next phase of your life. So hoping the best for you. Maybe see you at NIPER Mohali. Definitely hoping the best career for you. Thank you so much, Kinshal, for your time, and I'm proud of you, and your family is proud of you. Everyone is proud of you in this moment today.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.